Hello everyone, this is Captain Elevator 429, and as you can see, I have right here one of everyone's favorite elevator buttons. That's right, Otis Lexan. Now as you can see, it does look like an Otis Lexan because of the black button, clear halo, and the new Gothic style floor markings. But this one's quite different. It's a little bit recessed, just like the so-called new Lexan. However, this one is actually made by a combined partnership between Unitech and Adams. In this case, Unitech is the parts supplier for Otis Elevator Company, but you can clearly see it's a modified form of Adams Survivor contact block assembly. This one here is actually called Survivor O, model number 480A. There's a square version of this button called the 485B. Can range anywhere from 24 to 120 volts. So as you can see, here's the button itself, the button and the halo. And then here's the other side of the button, as well as the internal assembly with the silver tipped brass contacts, the stainless steel and copper plated mounting screws, and here's where the bulb and socket go into. And watch the contacts right here. It's a very simple button, but it's actually very well made. And it looks nice too. Here's another view of the contact block in action. And now comes the special effect with the flashlight. A nice even distribution of light. But it still has that very nice old-time unique vintage look. I plan to get a few more of these buttons with different floor markings, a couple of arrows, and some door open and close, alarm and fireman's call cancel, and at some point maybe make a replicated Otis Lexan elevator panel that everybody will like a whole lot. And as you can see, bring back a classic. So with that being said, this right here is my Adams Survivor O elevator button, which mimics the appearance of an Otis Lexan button and can be used for both mechanical and touch-sensitive retrofit. So with that being said, thank you very much.